Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alex, and as you guys can see by today's title, I have Amazon haul. I have the boxes right here, but I also have like a little mini story time of what's been going on, why I felt like these occurrences made me get one of these items for like security reasons. I figured I would just tell you guys and show you guys. If you know me well enough, you know that one thing is definitely not going to be a surprise, and you guys are going to be like, of course, because that's literally what my boyfriend said. He was like, of course you did. Also, before we get into this video, make sure you are subscribed. If you are not subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button, because we are getting so close to 10,000 subscribers. My goal ideally is to hit 10K by the end of the year, so we got 2 months to figure that out, and obviously you're not going to want to miss other great videos that I am going to be posting. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. I suck at opening boxes. First things first, we had to pick up some bones for my dog. So these are his favorite bones, the healthy alternative to rawhide. I don't know, my dog is like obsessed with this, so if you have a dog, check out these ones. They have like the big ones, or they have like little mini stick looking ones that he also likes. I also picked up these ones. These ones I recently found out that he loves them, so these are the milk bone ones. Also, please don't judge me for what I feed my dog. I know everybody is different with what they feed their dog, but those are just some snacks that I feed mine. Okay, anyways, moving on. Guys, this is so good. Okay, so I know you guys are thinking, why didn't you just wait until the next day after Halloween, because candies are on sale? But like, it's the beginning of October. I cannot wait that long. Every time I go to a Shoppers or a Superstore or Walmart or anything, these are plastered everywhere, and Halloween is technically canceled this year because like the virus and everything. I found these bad boys on Amazon for $5 a pop, so $10 for 60 chocolate bars, and that's good for now. And then obviously your girl is gonna go to the Superstore the day after Halloween and stock up on chocolates, because I love chocolates. Should I have one right now? Let me know which one is your favorite in this. Do you prefer oh, I just realized you guys from America don't know what Smarties are. You guys think Smarties are something different, which is very weird to me. Which is crazy. You guys have Aero? I don't know if you guys in the States have Aero, but it is this chocolate that has like bubbles. If you can see like bubbles on the inside. So good. Right now I'm like tripping out. Let me know, do you guys in the States have these? Okay, so these are Smarties. These are Aeros, the ones with like the bubbles, Kit Kats, and Coffee Crisps. I'm gonna have some Smarties so I can show you guys, okay? This video is gonna be very random, and I'm sorry. These are what Smarties are, and so they are like candy coated on the outside, and then on the inside it's chocolate. I don't know if this is gonna focus. Is it focusing? But it's chocolate on the inside and candy on the outside. So they look like that, and they come in like different colors, but they're really good. Okay, I had to do that because we gotta keep moving, or else this is gonna be a very long video because I have to tell you the story. I had to get water because my mouth is so dry now. Shout out to my boyfriend. This is my favorite tumbler ever. It has like roses on it, and it's from Starbucks. I've already showed you guys this like 1,000 times, but okay, so next box that I picked up, I had to, and I'm saying had to because I didn't want to, I had to pick up a smart home video doorbell. Some weird shit has been happening. So this, I want to say it goes back to I think a 1.5 to 2 years ago. If you guys have any idea as to like why this is happening, definitely let me know down in the comments. This shit is weird. Okay, so I think there was 4 different instances. The first one happened a 1.5 ago, 2 years. My parents bought this house about like 10 years ago, I want to say, so I have lived at the same house for quite a while. Let's just say 2 years, because I don't remember if it was a 1.5 ago or 2 years ago, but we received a random gift at our door, and these gifts are really weird. They are not like typical gifts. We have no idea who they're from. There's no card in them. Nobody ever rings a doorbell. Random little things. I think I remember there was a hose in the first one that we got and light bulbs, and these are brand new things. So they will come in boxes, original packaging with like seals on them. So just as this one is sealed with plastic, like hasn't been opened, so it looks like whoever this random person is buying things online for us, but they don't tell us who it is. There's no card, there's no note, they don't ring our doorbell, even on instances where I have been in our house with my dog in our living room, and you know how dogs are. If somebody like even walks by the premises, my dog will just bark. If there's another dog walking, my dog will bark. If there's a squirrel, my dog will bark. But not even my dog has seen this person. They have been so close to our house so many times. It was kind of weird. So when we got the light bulbs, I was like, in my head I'm thinking, what if there's somebody outside from like another area, because we don't live in a big like house. We don't have a lot of land. It's not one of those massive ass ones that has like, you know, acres and acres of land. What if this person is looking at us and through the window, and I don't know, looking at my window, and I need new light bulbs, or the guest room needs new light bulbs, or the living room, and that's went through my head, and I'm like, this is fucking weird. And my dad does go outside, so my parents love their garden, so my dad will go out and water the plants, and then the front yard, and we also have a side over here that has plants. But usually the neighborhood like community has somebody that, you know, cuts their lawn and like waters the plants on this side, but a lot of the times my dad will just be outside, so he'll water them in case the guys forget or whatever. So that was really weird that we got a hose and a light bulb. Fast forward, I think a couple months after, we got pots and pans, and these are brand new expensive pots and pans, and I know they're expensive because my mom, she wanted those. They were from Canadian Tire. Each one was like $80, fully brand new, sealed, just left at our doorstep. No note, no doorbell ringing, no card, nothing. And then another instance my brother told me is that they dropped off floor cleaner to our house. Like, I'm not seeing a pattern here. Light bulbs, hose, pots and pans, floor cleaners. And so I'm thinking now, like, somebody's in our house. Sketchy. And then let's take it now to 2 weeks ago. It was a Wednesday. My parents were out, my brother was out, I was the only one in the house. I was literally editing, guys. I was editing. So I'm in my living room. I spend a lot of time in my room, but when I'm home alone, I like to go edit on my kitchen table or on my sofa. We got a new sofa not too long ago, and it is so comfy, so I like it. It's like those like L-shaped sofas, so I really like to sit on the L section so I can have my feet like laying down and like editing all comfy. So I was there literally all day. I did not move from there. I just plugged in my computer. I was on the phone with my boyfriend at times, but he was at work, so it was literally just me editing. Was not blasting music, was not doing anything loud. I went to make myself food in the kitchen and then right back to the sofa or to the dining room table. It's like very close to our door. Tell me why. My car was in the driveway. It was like around 8:30 that I went outside. I had to throw out some trash and move my car in the garage, so I was gonna do that. I opened my door. Tell me why there is a big ass bag right there on my doorstep. I did not hear anybody. I did not see anybody. My dog did not hear anybody. He did not see anybody. He did not bark, and my dog was beside me on his bed, and his bed can see right by the window. We have a window by the door, but it's like distorted glass, so you can't fully see in, but you can see if somebody is there. So if somebody comes there, you will be able to see, but it's distorted. But there was this bag, and a couple days ago my dad hurt his back a little bit, so his back has been feeling off, and honestly nobody knew about that except me, my mom, my brother, and my dad. The four of us. So this bag is here. I text my brother right away. I'll show you guys a picture because I did take a picture to show my brother, because I was like, this is fucking weird. This shit's happening again. What's going on? I didn't touch it, obviously. I waited for them to get home so we could all figure out what the hell we're gonna do. We didn't really open anything. So one thing was already open, and there was two other things that were sealed brand new, and then there was another bag inside of a bag. We realized that inside the bag there was like cables. My parents got a brand new TV for their room about a month month ago. My dad hurt his back a week before this all happened. Again, nobody knew. But one of the things that was open that we could see was a red kind of like backing that you put on chairs so it's more comfortable in case you have back pain. It's fucking weird. Nobody left a note. We don't know who it was. And mind you, I was home the whole time. My car was in the driveway, so why did this person not ring the doorbell or knock on the door? I would have came out and received this. So we are friends with our neighbors. I want to mention that we are friends with our neighbors. We talk to all of them. We have lived here for so long, and so have our neighbors. We give them gifts for special occasions like Christmas and all of that. We do gift exchange with a bunch of our neighbors on our perimeter. I want to say there's about 6 of them. We gift exchange things all the time for like holidays, but we write cards. They will ring my doorbell, be like, hey, how are you? This is for your family. Happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, etc, etc. You know what I mean? We left the package. We didn't want to open the other 2 sealed bags because there was about 4 different things inside there. 2 of them were sealed, 2 of them were open. We opened the 2 of them that were already open. We left the 2 that were sealed in the bag and left it there. Same place that they left it. We did not touch this bag. My dad wanted to put it on the end of our driveway for like where the garbage was, but my mom was like, let's just leave it here for now. Tell me why. The next morning, my parents go outside to leave for the day, and the bag is now moved from where our doorstep is to the car. I don't know if it was the same person, I don't know if it was another neighbor, but somebody left the bag the way it was. Nothing was missing from it. Everything that we saw the night before was still in the bag the next morning, but now this bag was moved to where my dad's like the driver's seat of the car is. So anyways, that was weird. My parents ended up opening the other 2 bags and they were the same like seat thingies. And then fast forward to the Wednesday after, so a week after, I again I'm home all day, again editing in the same spot, cars in the driveway, and again I have to move my car, so I do it later at night, and then I bring out my trash, all of that. Tell me why. I go outside and there is salt, like, you know, snow salt you put on your driveway when there is snow outside, when it is icy, so you don't fall. Somebody grabbed salt, winter salt, and dumped it all over the walkway to my house. It's not on the driveway where my car is parked, it's not there, but we have a little walkway that's kind of like an L a little bit, and there is salt. From the very start of that to the very end, someone just got salt and sprayed that shit all over my driveway. I was home, you guys, and I'm home alone. I lock it and I put the chain on it so nobody's getting in here, but the fact that somebody in, like, I don't know if it was broad daylight, because again I went out around like 8:30, it was getting darker, and there was salt, and I'm just like, what is going on? Who is doing this? Why are you doing that? And now to put salt on my driveway like that, it's not snowing outside at all. I also went to check my neighbors and she did not have salt on hers, and even my parents were like, what if it was the neighbor? And I was like, why would she even put salt on our walkway? There's no, it's not raining, it's not snowing, there's no ice, like super weird. So that is why I picked up this camera. So we are going to install it, I think today or tomorrow. I definitely want to install it before Wednesday. It's a mystery, that's for sure. So hopefully we can catch this person. Ain't nobody getting close to my house. But okay guys, that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.